welcome back to my channel. So today I have another spring cleaning video. Today we are going to be deep cleaning my fridge and hopefully my freezer, as long as Charlie, my son, stays asleep for long enough. So real quick, you guys, if you're new here, my name's Shauna. I make mommy, lifestyle, and weight loss journey videos here on my channel. If that sounds like something that interests you, or if you like this video, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel. So you guys, this video today is actually a collaboration, which I'm really excited to be doing. This video is in collaboration with Desirae from Chaos of Mommy Life and Sherrell from Authentically Sherrell. Both are other moms here on YouTube. Both are pretty new to YouTube, so make sure you guys go and show them some love after you're done watching my video. But we all are cleaning out our fridge today, and we decided to do it as a collab. So they're both moms, both do similar style videos as I do. They do lots of cleaning videos and like routines, morning, night routines, things like that, and just mom life stuff. So if you like my channel, I'm sure you guys would like theirs as well. So make sure you head on over after this and check them out. Anyways, you guys, without further ado, let's get started cleaning my fridge out. I'm a little nervous. I'm kind of trying to figure out when the last time I cleaned leftovers out of the fridge was. Let's go see. So real quick, let's just do an overview of what my fridge currently looks like. In the drawer, you can see there's some junk up there. And probably some expired stuff. And that is my fridge. Let's go ahead and get cleaning. So here you can see the fridge all empty, and at the bottom there you can see there's some crud, some splatters, and some stuff stuck under the drawers, and some stuff all in the door of the fridge, and we're going to clean that. I'm going to start by taking everything out of the washer into the sink so I can wash it all off. After everything was out, I just went ahead and wiped down all the surfaces in the fridge. When I got to the bottom part here, I was having a really hard time getting all this stuff out from underneath these drawer things. I don't know, the things that make them slide. And so I got a little bottle brush and was scrubbing them with that. Then I ended up just getting a cup of water and kind of pouring it over to try to get some of that rest of that gunk out from under there. I am just starting to wash everything out, and my husband is standing off camera. He's going to help me dry everything. I'm just washing all the doors and and shelves and everything off. Now I'm just putting all the shelves and drawers back into the fridge, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put all the food back in, all organized as well. Here is what it looks like when it's all done. This is the door with just our condiments and stuff. On this top shelf we have our eggs and tons of leftovers that we have. And then on this shelf just some lettuce, egg roll wrappers, and some blue cheese crumbles. In the meat drawer there's just some lunch meat and some cheese. And then we have some carrots and some fruit down here for Charlie. And you can see all that got cleaned up back there. It looks pretty good, if I may say so myself. And that's it, you guys. As you can see, there's plenty of room for some more groceries in there, so I will need to go grocery shopping this weekend. But my fridge is all clean and it feels so much better. I did not have time to get to the freezer before Charlie woke up from his nap, but that's okay. I'll do it some other day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the other two ladies. Their links will be just in the description below, both Desirae and Sherrell, so make sure you check their channels out and give them some love and let them know I sent ya. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.